Okay, so let's break down this piece. Old MacDonald had a farm. Everybody knows this tune. So take your fourth finger, right hand. We're going to go real slow. Put your third and fifth finger, left hand, down here, right hand on the G. So we're going to go super slow, hands together to show you what this is about. Here we go. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 staccatos. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 rest and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 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 retardando. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 now I want you to notice one thing right away. Legato. Being able to play this 4-4-4, the same note smoothly. Right away. None of the it's so right as you come off the keys, right away back on the key. Okay, so not that's staccato, this is portato, and I want you to do legato, smooth. To the best of your ability, okay? From the top. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 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 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, a few things to notice here. From the top, right away, legatos, right? This being 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Not staccato, not portato. It's legato, smooth. Practice this. Right away, as you lift the finger off the key, right away. Press it down right away. So it might sound like that at the beginning. Slow. Practice that so that you can go. Okay? The next step, watching for these staccatos up here. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the other thing. Notice how this was held, but you have to let go on this rest. So, watch the staccatos. Forearm staccato. Using your forearm. Forearm staccato. The next thing to notice here right now. This staccato at the top. It is completely detached. Completely short compared to legato over here. So, these staccatos, respect them, both hands. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay? The next thing to notice over here, this G, hold the G. 2, 3. So hold the G, 1, 2, 3. Let go. All right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play after we finish looking at some of these highlights here, retardando, playing these staccatos, playing these legatos. We're gonna play hands separately now, just the right hand from the top. Okay, take your fourth finger, put it on G. All right, here we go. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and rest and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and count and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. And okay, so make sure you're still counting like I am, even though it might seem easy at the start. What we're doing here is we're trying to understand when to play, when not to play. This rest, you got to respect that. This rest, you have to respect that. You have to count through all of them, even if it's not, if you're not playing the keys, you're still playing. You're playing the rest. Okay, play the rest. So respect that. We're gonna go look at the left hand real quick before we go to the next section. So looking over here, third and fifth finger from the top. So third and fifth finger on G and B goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and rest and D. And this is the hardest bit. I'm going to pause here for a second because I want to say something. This right here, B and B and A and A and hold for 2 beats, 2 and 3 and D. And right away, okay? I'm going to put your fourth finger. I want you to put your fourth finger here. Fourth finger. Okay? Put your fourth finger there. That's a little small. Boost it. Okay? Put your fourth finger here so that you can go D and G, G, G right away. So hold for 2, rest on the third. 1 and 2 and. So that would be coming from here. B and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and rest, move, D and G, and practice this over and over. All right, let's continue this time. B and A and A and G and 2 and move and D and G and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and rest and D and C. Notice this pattern. It goes from a G and then D, G to the next bit. It goes G and then goes D to the next bit, okay? All right, let's take it from right here. We're going to connect it. We're going to go from here to the next bit. So taking our right hand, let's connect from here to the next. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and rest and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 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 and 4 and. So a few things to notice here. This will make a lot more sense once we play with the left hand, but when you're not playing, I will still want you to count. That we're counting these 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So if we clap that, ready? That goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So if we clap that, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right? So if you can't play it first, clap the rhythm first, then play it. And then when you're ready, you have the notes, go ahead and play it. All right? Let's take it from this bit right here in the left hand. We're going to take it from right here on B, measure 5, 6, 7. We're going to take it from 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and D and 1 and 2 and 3. one thing to notice, make sure the legato 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So whenever you come off these legatos, the last one, D and G, D and G, okay? 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So what you want to do is you want to hold this for 3 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and hold and 4 and rest 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, respect this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. When we put that together, it'll make a lot more sense. So taking from D all the way to the end, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and okay. Next, we go back to the beginning of the piece because this is the same thing as that. We don't go back to the beginning. I just mean that this is the same thing we learned before. It's just back to the theme, okay? So let's take it from here, connect it to the end, and you should have a finished piece. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and slow it down. 4. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 up here, G. Okay, so this octave, this F sharp and G is up an octave, 8 VA, octave higher than normal, okay? G and 2 and up. And when you do that, this here has a rest. So you have to let go of this G before you can play this. 1 and 2, let go, G and 4. And then you add a shot of pedal when you got the pedal in there, okay? So 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 and 3, okay? Just a rhythmic pedal there. All right, and that's Old MacDonald. In the next video, we're gonna go over minuet in A minor and see how that goes. All right, see you there.